How to fix Roblox Kicked Due to Unexpected Client Behaviour 268 mobile. So if you want to fix Roblox Kicked due to unexpected client behavior, then first check your internet connection, open up your settings, scroll down, tap on apps, and now tap on see all apps, go with the search which is on the upper right, and then search for Roblox and open up your Roblox application. Tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, and now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back on your settings, and here go with the network and internet option, and here you will have private DNS option, right? Simply tap on private DNS, and under that here you need to enter the DNS provider host name. Simply tap on that, and then you need to enter a new DNS which is 1.1.1.1, and then you can tap on save. Once you tap on save, you need to restart your device. Once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Roblox Kick due to unexpected client behavior 268 error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.